guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know already, in this channel I mostly talk about Amazon or any side hustle you can make money off. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys honest opinion regarding Uber Eats. That was my first time doing Uber Eats, guys. Most of you guys already know about Uber Eats, so I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. I didn't record my process taking orders or anything, but I'm just gonna share with you guys how much money I made on Uber Eats in like 2 days. I made $374.64 working 15 hours. It say I work 15 hours. Actually I didn't work for 15 hours. I just let it open, then I was home once I get an order, and I just, you know, Uber, they count all the hours as long you stay online. I did 24 trips. The order I accepted, they're like $5 for 1.8 miles, $5 for 1 mile, to get $5 per mile. That was my thing. I know like some people take $3 per mile, but I wanted to do $5 per mile. I didn't take nothing less than $5. Another delivery, it was $20.43 and 7 miles. So another one was $36 for 8.4 miles and a tip of $31. So guys, I want you guys to comment down below if you guys wouldn't accept those orders on your area, if it's a good order. For me, on my opinion, it was a really great order. You can see there is like this delivery, it was $30.87 for 10 miles, and the tip was $8.43, and the surge price was, I make like $30 $35 less than an hour. Delivery, it was 12.4 miles for $37 and a tip of $22. So those orders are pretty good. $14 for 3.8 miles. So that's the top order I accepted. So if you want to try it, I want you guys to be aware, to know your market, if it's a busy market. So I know in my area it can be really busy, it can be really slow, but I live near a lot of restaurants. They have Starbucks, they have Cuban restaurant, they have Cuban coffee, they have everything on my area. So I don't have to leave my house to get like a great order or to go park next to a restaurant to get those orders, because I live in the same community doing Uber Eats from 6 to 12 a.m. So that's where I get most of my good order, from 6 to 12 a.m. Dinner time, that's when people buying food, that's when people placing order. I wanted to share with you guys. Make sure you guys like this video, comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.